Hey Charmers, hi, Darlene here. I'm super excited because today we're attempting a new makeup challenge. It's a trend called the Tiny Face Makeup Challenge. This was originally created by Jamie French and she did amazing. So hopefully today we will do somewhat close to what she did. So yeah, I'm gonna be using products from the base box and also the premium box. So let's just get started. Okay, you guys, so I already have my base on to kind of speed up the process a little bit. And I'm gonna start off with this palette. Let me open it for you guys. There we go. It's by Too Faced. It's called Natural Matte. All right, you guys, so now that I have kind of a shape of a new nose, I'm gonna take the shade Risky Biz, which is this one right here, and with a very slim brush, I'm gonna start creating the contour or the bottom part of my new nose. Okay, now to give the nose a more defined look, I'm gonna create the nostrils using the House Laboratories liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade Whiskey, which is like the dark brown. Okay, we got some shade. I mean, do we see it already? Oh my God, I'm starting to see it. Do you guys see it? Oh my God. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna give my nose, my new nose, a little bit of highlight. And for that, I'm gonna use the palette from Studio Makeup, Ease to Wear. These are the shades. I think I'm gonna go with the shade Sheen, which is the very first one here. And I'm gonna highlight the tip of my new nose right there. Okay, and also the new bridge of my nose as well. And I think I'm gonna do very slightly the nostrils right there. Boom. And let me try to blend that a little bit. Boom. Okay, you guys, so now we have a new nose. I'm gonna take the shade Sexpert, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna start creating my new Cupid's bow. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to start doing the shape of the lips. For that, I'm using one of the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Merlot. We got these a few boxes ago, and I'm gonna use a very thin eyeliner brush and hope for the best. It's okay, we're going with it. It's okay. Do my lips really look like that? No. So for my bottom lip, I'm gonna go slightly below my own nose, as my bottom lip is significantly bigger than my upper lip. This is tickling me. Oh, wow. Yep, I'm putting liquid lipstick inside of my nostrils. That's how committed I am to this. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, so for my highlighting and contour, I'm gonna use the Trestique Conceal Coverage and Correct Crayon. This is in the shade Porcelain, and I'm literally going to highlight the sides of my new nose. Oh my God, you guys, I see it. Do you guys see it? Okay, now that I use that, I'm going to brighten up that area and also seal it with the Shadow Heaven, and I'm gonna seal it with one of the Badminton brushes from the Duo, just like that, nice and bright. With my Studio Makeup palette, I'm gonna take the shade Fate, which is the darkest brown, and I'm just going to create a little bit more depth on my lower lash line. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna use the Expert Mascara by Kevyn Aucoin. Again, top and also bottom lashes. I'm gonna start contouring my face way more than I would normally do, and of course a lot more closer to my new nose and also new lips. With the Studio Makeup palette, I'm gonna take the color Dusk, and I'm gonna use that as if it was my blush. It will be somewhere around here. I'm taking the color Sheen, which is this one right here, and just highlight my inner corners and also the tip of my nose. All right, you guys, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys liked it. I can barely speak right now with this scarf. Let us know in the comments what other challenges you want to see from us. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Me and my tiny face are out of here.